Hey guys, Claire here from the Kitchen, and today I am so excited to be partnering with Kikkoman to bring to you one of my favorite new trends in food. Well, it's not really a new trend now that I think about it, new to me, but very, very old in fact. I am making porridge, so I'm doing a savory porridge, which in Asian culture, like congee is actually something that's been served for thousands of years. And for me, the idea of savory oatmeal, at first I thought, oh, I don't know if that's so good. I think about, like Oliver, where the kid says, can I have more? And the guy says, more, So in my head, I always thought savory porridge doesn't sound that great until I tried it, and it's amazing. It's really hearty, it's really delicious, and it's a really fabulous way to start your morning. I also love it as a brunch concept because making oatmeal is so simple and you can kind of have everything else organized so people can kind of make their own brunch bowls. So I really love that concept. So the base of my porridge is going to be a really simple oatmeal, so just oats, water, and salt. And then I'm topping it with Kikkoman traditionally brewed soy sauce and a little bit of maple syrup glazed bacon. So it's really beautiful. It has this umami flavor, which is kind of like savoriness that soy sauce has, plus a perfectly fried egg with a runny yolk, and just topping it with a few little ingredients like toasted sesame seeds, little chili flakes, some chives. All together, it's so delicious. You crack that egg yolk and kind of stir everything together, and it's just hearty and delicious and a lot of great texture. So I'm really excited about this recipe. All right, well, that's enough of me talking about it. Let's actually start cooking. So I'm gonna start with the bacon, and I'm sort of pre-cooking it. So I'm going to basically cook it, I'd say about 3/4 of the way through, and then start glazing it. So while this is cooking, I'm actually gonna get started with our porridge. So to make the porridge, I'm gonna pour in about a cup of water, and I'm going to boil the water, get it really, really nice and hot. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my oats, and then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, and then just turn it down to a nice simmer. And I'm gonna let this go for about 5 minutes or so. So the bacon, I flipped it, it's starting to get really nice and crisp. So I'm actually going to put together the glaze. It's just equal parts maple syrup and equal parts soy sauce. And then, while our porridge continues to cook, it's almost done, I'm gonna get going on our fried egg. And I do mean a fried egg. None of this like sad, anemic, like white-edged egg kind of thing. I really do like to fry the eggs. I have some Kikkoman sesame oil here. So the egg is gonna start frying and really crisping up on the edges. And here's how you make sure that you get it evenly cooked. You don't want it to be completely torched on the bottom and kind of not quite cooked on top. So what I do is I tilt the pan forward and I baste the top with the hot oil. So this is looking good. You can see that white is really nice and set. So I'm gonna start sprinkling some deliciousness on it. So first, obviously, a bit of salt to season it. Pinch of chili flake because, gotta have a little bit of heat. And then I do a little bit of the toasted sesames on top. All right, great. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish frying up and then put it all together. So I have my bacon here, and I'm actually gonna pre-chop it because I think that makes it a lot easier to enjoy. So then as the final touch, I'm gonna put some chives on top, and then of course, a touch of Kikkoman. All right, time to dig in. That is so good. It has a really nice combination of textures, and in a savory porridge or savory oatmeal, that is very key. You wanna have all of it mixed together. And I love this too because it kind of has just every single flavor you could want. It's sweet, it's savory, has a little bit of spice, it has this brightness from the chives, and then on top of that, it has that umami flavor that the soy sauce really gives it, which is so delicious. If you guys make this, please share it online using the hashtag bowling night, and also make sure to check out KikkomanUSA.com for more fun ideas like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.